Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today second class children, I'll teach English grammar. The last lesson which you had learned in the previous class was lesson number 12 about punctuations. So the last exercise on page number 66, we didn't complete that. Okay, so comprehension. Read each stanza of this poem carefully and identify the punctuation marks. Write their names in the blanks given at the end of each stanza. So the first stanza starts, you stop when you see me, my nickname is Dot. I make a statement whether you like it or not. Who am I? So see, we can see the pictures and we can tell them what they are. Yes? So the first picture is a full stop. So the first thing is full stop. First answer is full stop. Then second one, you pause when you see me, I help you make a list and you will run out of breath if I am missed. Who am I? So while reading, we stop at some places. So where do we stop when we see a comma? So we give a pause there. Is it or not? Or otherwise if we read continuously, we will run out of breath. అంటే మనకి ఊపిరి తిరగదు కంటిన్యూస్గా రీడ్ చేస్తే. సో ఆ కామాలు ఇవ్వడం వల్లనే మనము పాజ్ చేస్తాం, మన ఊపిరి తిప్పుకుంటాం. సో comma. Second one is comma. Third one, I begin a sentence and special names begin with me. I follow a full stop. I am important, you see. Who am I? Capital letters. Fourth one, I stand at the end of all questions you see. You won't get your answers without using me. Who am I? So at the end of each question, what do we give? A question mark. Note it down, children. So the next lesson in our English grammar is about conjunctions. What is the lesson name? Conjunctions. Okay. So let's link it. Exercise A. Join the given sentence using and. So we have to join the sentences. See, they have given two pairs of sentence in each numbers. So we have to join them by using and. Okay. So the first one, Rani has a tricycle. Rani has a doll. So how we will write by using and? How we will write? Exercise A, page number 67, first one. Rani has a tricycle and a doll. So we used and, okay, and we made the two sentences in one. Rani has a tricycle and a doll. Full stop. Second one, we must keep our shoes clean. We must keep our socks clean. So, we must keep our shoes and socks clean. Full stop. We must keep our shoes and socks clean. I have pens. I have pencils with me. I have pens and pencils with me. Full stop. Fourth one, my shirt is new. My trousers are new. So, my shirt and trousers are new. Full stop. Note it down. Right. The next exercise, match the following using but to form complete sentences. So they have given two columns here, children. So we have to join them by using but. Okay. So we have to choose the correct suitable sentence to match them also. Lajja is tall. So for using but, what we do? We have to choose the things which are opposite. So what is the opposite of tall? Short. So in this sentence is very short, Zach is short. Okay, so what we will write? Lajja is tall, but Zach is short. Okay, match the following. So we have to match them. We have to use them. We have to write these sentences in your notebook. Exercise B. So the first one, Lajja is tall, but Zach is short. Second one, Rani was hungry, but there was no food. Rani was hungry, but there was no food. Full stop. She wants to dance. She is hurt. She wants to dance, but she is hurt. He wants to hold the puppy, but it is scared of him. He wants to hold the puppy, but it is scared of him. Full stop. So you have to write these sentences in your English book, okay? Because there is no place here. Note it down. So what you will do is, children, that you have to match them by writing the numbers in the textbook. Afterwards you can write it in your notebook, okay? So you have learned that and but are used to join two words or sentences. So by using and but we can join two words, as you can see we did in the first and A exercise and B exercise. By using and but we joined two sentences, two types of sentences. And is used to join words and sentences with similar ideas. So and is used in a sentence to join a sentence where there are similar ideas, same ideas. And but is used where the words are opposite, where the ideas are opposite, okay? But is used to join words or sentences with different or opposite ideas. Now look at two more sentences. Do you want to drink orange juice? Do you want to drink apple juice? Can we join these sentences, two sentences, to make a single sentence? Yes, we can. Do you want to drink orange juice or apple juice? So there is one more conjunction, and that is or. So we can use this or conjunction for giving choices. అంటే చాయిస్ ఇవ్వడానికి నీకు ఇది కావాలా అది కావాలా అని మనం అడుగుతాం కదా. సో అలాంటప్పుడు or అన్న కంజంక్షన్ మనము యూజ్ చేస్తాం, ఓకేనా? So we use or to join words or sentences that show choices. So or, we use or to join words or sentences that show choices. The words and, but and or are called joining words. Joining words are also called conjunctions. So joining words, previous standards lo meeku joining words అని చెప్పారు. సో ఆ జాయినింగ్ వర్డ్స్ ఏంటి? కంజంక్షన్స్. అండ్, బట్, ఆర్, ఓకే? సో అండ్ అన్న కంజంక్షన్ మనం ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తాము? ఎప్పుడైతే మనము సేమ్ ఐడియాస్ గురించి మాట్లాడతాం అండ్ ఆపోజిట్స్ గురించి ఆపోజిట్ ఐడియాస్ గురించి మాట్లాడినప్పుడు బట్ అన్నది యూస్ చేస్తాం కంజంక్షన్. అండ్ ఆర్ అన్నది ఏంటి, చాయిస్. నీకు యాపిల్ జ్యూస్ కావాలా, ఆరెంజ్ జ్యూస్ కావాలా, నీకు బ్యాట్ కావాలా, బాల్ కావాలా, నీకు డ్రెస్ కావాలా, లేకపోతే టాయ్స్ కావాలా అని చాయిస్ ఇస్తాం కదా, ఆర్ అన్నది అప్పుడు యూస్ చేస్తాం. సో కంజంక్షన్ ఈజ్ వర్డ్ దట్ జాయిన్స్ వర్డ్, గ్రూప్స్ ఆఫ్ వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ sentences. Let's crack it. Use or to join the sentences. So here they have given some sentences, 3 sentences. We have to join these sentences by using or. Okay. Page number 68, exercise A. So the first one, would you like to drink milk? Would you like to drink lemonade? So how we will write? Would you like to drink milk or lemonade? Choice. లెమనేడ్ కావాలా లేకపోతే పాల్ కావాలా అన్నది. సో ఆర్ అన్నది యూస్ చేస్తాం. వుడ్ యూ లైక్ టు డ్రింక్ మిల్క్ ఆర్ లెమనేడ్? క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. సెకండ్ వన్, ఐ కెన్ గో టు ప్లే క్రికెట్, ఐ కెన్ గో టు ప్లే బాస్కెట్బాల్. ఐ కెన్ గో టు ప్లే క్రికెట్ or basketball. Third one, my father will go to the school, my mother will go to the school. My father or my mother will go to the school. My father or my mother will go to the school. Full stop. Note it down. Right. So the next exercise on page number 68, exercise B, fill in the blanks with correct conjunctions to complete the sentences. So here they have given some blanks and we have to fill those blanks with conjunctions. So we have to use or, but, and. Right? I speak Hindi and English. I speak Hindi and English. I was thirsty but there was no water. I was thirsty but there was no water. Sonu and Shan are singing together. Shonu and Shan are singing together. Do you want a pen or a pencil? Do you want a pen or a pencil? The giraffe is tall, but the donkey is short. The giraffe is tall, but the donkey is short. Does your mother play tennis or football? Does your mother play tennis or football? Note it down. So the next exercise, join the sentences using the conjunctions but given in the bracket. So here two pairs of sentence in each line is given, and they have given a conjunction. So we have to use that conjunction and join the sentence, right? So the first one, some birds can fly, they can swim. So how we will write? Some birds can fly and swim. The conjunction given in the bracket is and. Some birds can fly and swim. Second one, Monica has a fever, she has come to school. So the conjunction is but. So Monica has a fever, but she has come to school. Full stop. Let us go to the park. Let us go to the market. Let us go to the park or market. So for the conjunction for this sentence they gave in the bracket is or. So all the conjunctions and, but, or we have used here. Note it down. Right, turn to page number 69. Exercise B. Write a sentence for each picture using and, but, or. So here they have given three pictures. So we have to use the conjunctions and, or, but. And we have to use them in our sentences by seeing these pictures. So in the first picture a boy is drawing and a girl is reading. So how we will write? First one, Raju is drawing, but Sheila is reading. So in this sentence but వచ్చేసింది ఓకేనా బట్ అన్న కంజంక్షన్ వచ్చేసింది. దెన్ సెకండ్ పిక్చర్లో ఏంటి అమ్మాయి పాట పాడుతుంది అండ్ డాన్స్ కూడా చేస్తుంది. సో షీ ఈజ్ సింగింగ్ అండ్ డాన్సింగ్. ఫుల్ స్టాప్. థర్డ్ వన్, so a boy is eating two types of foods. So Pintu wants to eat salad or chapati. Note down. Right, the last exercise, composition. Here they have asked us to write a letter, and what we have to write, they are telling in this question. Your cousin had lent you a book about the moon and stars. You loved the book and took it to school. Fill in the blanks to complete this letter to thank your cousin. You may use the words in the box. సో మీ కజిన్ మీకు ఒక బుక్ ఇచ్చారు, అది మూన్ అండ్ స్టార్ గురించి బుక్. ఆ బుక్ మీరు స్కూల్కి పట్టుకెళ్ళారు అండ్ ఆ బుక్ మీకు చాలా నచ్చింది. సో మీ కజిన్కి థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పడానికి ఈ లెటర్ రాయాలి, ఓకేనా. సో ఈ లెటర్లో బ్లాంక్స్ ఉన్నాయి అండ్ ఇక్కడ హెల్ప్ బాక్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు. సో ఈ హెల్ప్ బాక్స్లో ఉన్న వర్డ్స్ మీరు ఈ లెటర్ రాయడానికి ఫిల్ చేయొచ్చు, యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఓకేనా. ఓకే, సో డియర్ డాష్ అన్నది ఇచ్చారు. అక్కడ ఏ పేరైనా మీరు రాయొచ్చు, మీ కజిన్ పేరు ఎవరి పేరైనా రాయొచ్చు. హౌ ఆర్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ద, ఫస్ట్ బ్లాంక్లో ఏమొస్తుంది, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ద బుక్ అని థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నారు మీరు. యూ లెంట్ మీ, ఐ లవ్డ్ రీడింగ్ అబౌట్ ద మూన్ అండ్ స్టార్స్. మూన్ అండ్ స్టార్స్, ఐ లైక్ స్టార్స్ మోర్, but my friend says that the moon is more interesting. I made a paper star. I am sending it to you. Please tell me about other books on sun or planets. With love. ఇక్కడ కింద ఇంకో లైన్ ఉన్నది, అక్కడ మీ పేరు రాయండి. నోట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. సో ఈ బ్లాంక్స్ నేను నంబర్ వైజ్గా ఇచ్చాను. ఈ బ్లాంక్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అని నంబర్స్ వేసి ఇచ్చాను. సో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా రాయండి నిదానంగా. So right children, here our grammar portion is completed in this class. So this was the last lesson about conjunctions. Hope you understood this lesson nicely. Okay, so conjunctions are nothing but joining words. In your previous class you were taught about joining words. So joining words are nothing but conjunctions. So we learned about 3 conjunction words, that are and, but and or. Okay, so I hope you understood this lesson and complete all the exercises. And the last thing, there is a revision sheet on the last page of this book. So the revision sheet you have to complete and post the pics. Right children, take help from your parents to fill it up. Okay na, take care.